Good morning, students. So today we are discussing about senior intermediate botany. Now syllabus. So when you go to that content of senior inter botany, generally the senior inter botany consists total 6 units. How many units? 6 units. Total 6 units. So let us go to the first unit. The first unit is plant physiology and it has 6 chapters. How many chapters? 6 chapters. Transport in plants, the first chapter, mineral nutrition, enzymes, photosynthesis in higher plants, and respiration in plants, plant growth and development. So now, so it in annual examination, this unit carry the 28 marks. How many marks? 28 marks. So in which very short answers are 2, short answers are 4, long answer is 1. So now let us go to that first chapter in first unit, transport in plants. Transport in plants. So means here we should study that about how the materials are transported within the plants like water and other nutrients and other substances is transported into the plants within the plant from environment to the from surrounding to the plants and inside the plant one place to the another place, how the materials are transported. So those we will study that. Next go to the mineral nutrition. So mineral nutrition means here how plants should take the nutrients from the soil and in which way nutrients are useful for the growth and development of the plant. So we will study the mineral nutrition, the absorption of nutrients, essential criteria of elements like essential and non-essential elements, and micro and macronutrients, and all these character feature we should study in the mineral nutrition. Now third chapter is enzymes. Enzymes, already you know that enzymes are the catalyst, nothing but they are the chemicals. They should help to the carried out reactions fastly in the plants. So enzymes are what? They are the chemicals. They act as what? Catalyst. They make reaction fast. So that to carry out several metabolic reactions in the plant body as well as in our body also, enzymes should play major role. Next chapter 4, photosynthesis in higher plants. So photo means light, synthesis means prepare. So in higher plants, how the photosynthesis occurred. So the mechanism of photosynthesis and the other C3 C4 plant differences and other C3 and mainly here the cyclic and non-cyclic photophosphorylation and what are the products, what are the reactants, what is the use of the photosynthesis in plants as well as human being and other animals, we will study that. Next, respiration in plants. So respiration in plants like us plants also respire. So how the in which way plants respiration is carried out, in which organ should play a major role to carry out the respiration. So what are the benefits of respiration? So let us study that in respiration in plants. Next, plant growth and development. So here like us plants also grow, but in animals and human being the growth will be limited, but whereas in plants the growth will be continue. So development, so both are because plant growth and development is occurred by the chemicals, those are called plant growth regulators. Plant growth, here in this topic we will study that about plant growth regulators, nothing but phytohormones. Phytohormones already studied in 10th class. Next to go to that second unit, the microbiology, nothing but the study of small and minute and microscopic organisms, so which we can see with only microscope, we cannot see with our naked eye, that is called microbiology. So here we will study about two major topics about in microbiology: bacteria and viruses. So here about the bacteria, who discovered, what are the importance of the bacteria, what are the demerits of the bacteria, what are the diseases caused to the plants, what are the diseases caused to the animals, what are the diseases caused to other organisms by the bacteria, and how the antibiotics prepared, how the harmful effects of the bacteria, and what are the helpful characteristic feature of the bacteria. We will study that. Next, go to the viruses. Viruses are the poisonous microorganisms. Today we are seeing that one of the virus is mainly disturbing total world, that is coronavirus. It belongs to virus group only, which means poison. Let us here study that what are the plant diseases caused viruses, what are the animals caused viruses. We will study here microvirus, macrovirus, and what are the diseases to affected by the organisms by the viruses also. We will study that. Next, go to the third unit, genetics. It is the most important regarding to the genes. So genetics, it is here how the characteristics have been transferred from parents to children, and the genes characteristics we study that, and how the inheritance and variation means how the characteristics are entered from parents to children, as well as in plants, and variations means what are the changes occurred. So variation means any changes are occurred in the body of organism, either it is a plant and animal and a human being, that is called variations. Variations leads to some of the beneficial characteristics, some of the harmful characteristics. Next, go to the molecular biology. Here we study that about molecular basis of inheritance, and here mainly molecular basis of inheritance, DNA, RNA, and other genetic materials we will study here. What is the importance of genetic material like DNA, and how the DNA is made up of, how the RNA is made up of, how the protein synthesis are occurred. So difference between DNA and RNA, other characteristic feature we study that. Next, to go to the biotechnology. It in these days means it is most important biotechnology. Bio means life, technology. So we should develop the innumerable of techniques because of within short period we're developing the innumerable of crops by using hybrid seeds and hybrid technology, genetic engineering. All these we will study here, biotechnology principles and process. So biotechnology and its applications. So what are the DNA recombinant DNA technology, and in which we use, and other technologies we should study here. Next, go to that plants and microbes and human welfare. So here how the previous already second unit what we studying bacteria and viruses, and also including algae, fungi, and other bacteria were in which way helps to the human welfare. So here strategies for enhancement of food production. So how can we produce a lot of food within short period by using microbes, by using other technologies. Next, to microbes in human welfare. So here microbes, so in which way bacteria and algae, fungi, all the microorganisms should help to the organisms. So microbes nowadays playing major role to clean the environment and increasing nutrients in as a food productivity. So these in this way we are using. Next, here let us go to that already I said. So here unit 1 plant physiology carries how many marks? 28, from which very short answers are 2, short answers are 4, and long answer 1. So means in this there will be a chance to come one long answer from this unit. Next, second unit, it carry microbiology, it carries 6 marks, from which very short answer means 2 marks 1, and short answer 1. So 2 plus 4 total 6 marks. Next is genetics. It is also 6 marks. Very short answer 1 and short answer 1. Next go to that molecular biology, and it is 8 marks it carry, from which there will be a very short answers are 2 and short answers 1. Biotechnology. So here biotechnology, it carries 16 marks and very short answers 2, short answers 1 and long answer 1. In this unit also there is a choice to come in an annual examination level 1 8 marks question. Next, sixth unit. So plants, microbes and human welfare. Here 12 marks. So very short answers are 2, short answers no and long answer 1. So here in this unit also there is a chance to come 8 marks question in examination level. So in annual exam there will be a 3 long answers are there, from which so one question from the 6th unit, one question from the 5th unit, another question from the first unit. In this way, first, 5th and 6th, these three are most important, because of in annual examination 8 marks question should appear. So this is the brief introduction about content of senior intermediate botany. Once you go through that deeply,